Yo, welcome back. Today I wanted to kind of go over and talk about this little cool project that we got going on, which is dealing with my homie's Kawasaki Z900, and we just decided to set it up for road racing and just see how it would do. Like right now, it don't have anything. It's lowered. It has a full system. Still got the stock filter, and it has a quick shifter. And I just street tuned it. Well, for you know, other guys, I did a flash on it, and I street tuned it, and he took it out and did a few pulls, and it seemed to be running pretty decent, man, considering what it is. You know, it's a fully naked bike. Man, raindrops. I ain't trying to get caught in the rain, man, but I'm gonna go in here and get something to eat and drink really fast, and then I'm gonna show y'all some clips. Oh, I need to get gas too. Let me go over here and get some gas. So I know a lot of people have been asking to put the Z900 up against some bikes and see how it do. You know, the Z900 pretty much makes around about, it actually may make more. Honestly, I have to look again, because I think it makes around like what a general 600 would probably make. Got my gas light on. How much y'all think it's gonna be? I'm gonna say gas and went up a little bit. I'm gonna say 942. Damn. 10-12. Close enough. I'm gonna go ahead and post these clips up so y'all can see, and then y'all give me y'all opinion of what you think or what you expected when you clicked on this title of this video. Excuse me, get one of these vitamin waters though. I'm gonna get fruit punch. I guess I'll get a piece or two, man. I got some mac and cheese. I get some mac and cheese too. Let's make it a party. This look like a recycling truck. All I see is cardboard, plastic, cans. This is a fun fact about me that a lot of y'all don't know. I'm one of the biggest undercover tree huggers there is in the world. Like the lengths that I take cutting off lights and cutting off, you know, water in between, you know, like brushing your teeth or something and unplugging stuff. I used to own a recycling company back when I was about 18, 19. And yeah, even to this day I still think about starting another recycling company. But yeah, like nature, preserving the earth, tree hugger, that's me. Oh man, but back on topic. So what y'all think? Not too shabby, you know, and this bike is, you know, new territory, so we're still playing around with it, figuring out some things and seeing that we can get the most out of this bad boy and see how it goes. It's honestly making me want to get a naked bike again. It'd be pretty cool to see some naked bikes out tearing up the streets. But who knows? We'll see. We'll see. I got to finish my Turbo R6 before I tackle on any other new projects. My Cobra too. I still got to finish it. I've just been so busy, man. I'm over here headed to my P.O. box right now. So I got to pick up some stuff. I'm gonna put the my address down for my P.O. box for any of you guys who may want to send me something, even if it's something like your brand. Like I had a guy send me his company brand, his shirt and his hat with his company logo on it, and I honestly wear his hat all the time, you know. Sure, I could be wearing my own hat, but I mean, you know, I'm not really that type of person, you know. If somebody send me something of their company or whatever, man, I'll wear it. I like hats, so if you want to send me a hat with your logo or whatever on it, I'll definitely wear it. I don't know what size, you know, some hats go into different sizes, but I probably need like a large or something, whatever size that range from, especially now with my hair being a little bit lengthier than normal, so I probably need like a large size hat or something for now. But yeah, I'll put that down in there just in case anybody want to, you know, send something. It's all good, it's all love. But I'm gonna try to set up a like a race day with some 600s, because like I said, that naked bike, it's a Z900, but it's not making a ton of power like the bigger naked bikes, you know, like a Super Duke, you know, the MT10, and you know, all the other, like the Z1000s, like the 1000 liter bike, naked bikes. So it's not nothing crazy like that, so it puts it like right in prime territory for, you know, probably 600s and 750s probably can play around in that like category. So I'm gonna put together a little day for that, and then we'll see how it does against those bikes. Because the little few footage that we got now, it just was too many people out, so we didn't get to really test it against a lot of different bikes how we would have liked to. So we're just gonna try to do a more controlled, smaller group so we can really test this baby out and see how it does against all those other bikes. But I'm just about here at my P.O. box. This video wasn't going to be anything long. I just kind of wanted to show just a little progress of what we've made with the bike, and you know, just show a few clips But I have more footage and stuff coming soon, so yeah, stay tuned for that. And as always, I appreciate everybody stopping by, checking out the channel and stuff, and I'll catch up with you guys later.